Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Manj and I am a wardrobe stylist. I do a lot of styling videos and try-on videos. I shop for a living. I'm a wardrobe stylist and I shop for film and TV. So yeah, I just kind of share my shopping tips with you guys. And today we are going to be doing a huge Zara haul. So yeah, I've gotten to quite a bit of Zara. Let me see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I think 9 orders to go through. So I will definitely be breaking this up into a couple of parts. Yeah, so I guess not much to say except to get into it. Anyway, let's just get into this. So my first Zara order here. I can't even remember which items which. I have gone through everything, so at least that way I can give you guys an honest review of the items, because I have opened everything and gone through it all. So yeah, anyway, so these are some dresses that I bought. So all dresses at this point that you're gonna be watching this video, all the dresses went down to like $19.99, and I picked up these dresses. And the other thing is there's only one of each item, so if you find something in your size or not your size but you really want the item, like, you just buy it. So I'm usually a medium, I would say, depending on the cut. I find that Zara does run pretty small, but yeah, I'm up to a medium. I'd say small medium. So I bought this dress here, and I'll also insert the Zara image as well, so just so you can get an idea of what it looks like. So yeah, this dress, I really liked it. It was online for a while. It was available in all sizes. It comes with a self belt, and I just really love this dress. So it was originally $119. What I try to do is I try to buy items that are really high priced regularly, because I really don't need anything. And in past seasons, I find that I get so caught up in the sale and I buy things that I never end up wearing. So I try to buy things that are from the sale that are higher price point, but at lowest sale price if possible. I know this dress tomorrow will go down to like probably $15.99, but I did like it. I did want it. If it does pop up again in a smaller medium, I will buy it, and then I will just return this one here. I really hate that Zara doesn't put in your order forms into the boxes, because yeah, I'm gonna have to go through. I've ordered so many things that I'm gonna have to go through and print out all my orders and check off which items I'm returning. Just want to make sure I get all my money back. And I've heard some horror stories right now of people Zara's losing some orders. So I just want to be as organized as I possibly can. I was thinking of doing like a Zara return video as well, just to help you guys out if you've never done a Zara return order. And during the pandemic, most people are returning things back to the store, back online. So if they've never done it before, I just figured, you know, it could be helpful. Anyway, so it does come with a self belt, $119 regularly. Yeah, I have nothing bad to say about this dress. I did fit it. I thought it was going to be tight, but it actually did fit. It does have an elastic waist, and then it has a zipper at the bottom. So there's a zipper just up to about the waist, and then the rest are just buttons. And they're, you know, they're not that hard to actually button up. I was able to do it by myself because it has the elastic tie. But I really like this dress. I think it would look really nice with this pair of Zara boots that I bought. And I will show you guys those boots. But I'll probably style it in the cutaway with the boots that I would wear it with. Yeah, I just really like it. So I would say if you were a small or a medium, you could definitely fit either the small or the medium. So it does have like little flecks of gold in it as well. But yeah, I'd definitely be keeping this dress. And then, like I said, if it drops down in price, I'll probably buy it again. So that's that. And then this other dress, I've been eyeing it for a while. And it was just so expensive originally, but it was, again, one of the higher price point dresses. This dress here was originally $159, and again, I got it for $19.99. But it's one of those things, it wasn't my size. I picked up a large, and to be honest, it's not that big. If I didn't know the size tag, I would say that I thought this was a medium. So I would definitely say it fits a little bit small, but it's so beautiful, and you can see like the flecks of gold in color. So it is part of their, I think their campaign. So it was $159 Canadian, so that's $159 Canadian. Prices obviously will change depending on what country you live in, but yeah, definitely beautiful. It's got a dropped hem, and it just kind of, I could just style it loose, to be honest, or I tried it on with my Gucci belt, and yeah, you could just cinch in the waist as well. You can even put on a gilet with it, or like a fur vest. But yeah, I really liked it. I definitely would recommend this dress. It's $19.99. I mean, definitely can't go wrong with that. If you never ended up wearing it, it's definitely a dress that you could sell. So yeah, love this dress. And I, again, styled it with those same boots that I styled the other one with, and those boots were also $19.99. This dress is gonna go back. It was just way too long for me. I did pick up a size medium, so it is true to size. It fit me fine, but the length, it was just so long. It went all the way down to the floor, and I didn't obviously want it to be that long. It looks kind of like a gown rather than a slip dress. Slip dresses, you can't go wrong with slip dresses. I mean, you know, you can layer it over with a cardigan, you can wear it with a blazer. They're timeless. I would definitely say if you're taller than a 5'3", to get it, like 5'5", 5'7". But for me, it just ended up being way too long. So definitely this piece here will go back. So that's just the first box. So we'll move on to the next box. I'm just gonna pop these in here just to be organized. Close this back up. Having like a major snowstorm today, so it's the best day for me to get this done. I'm hoping to like get these all done today and ship these out so I can start getting some money back. Okay, so the next order, I think there's not very much in here. It's a small. So the next order is one of the items this stuff I ordered right in the beginning. So these prices have definitely dropped a lot since I bought it, but I really love this top. Oh, it's so gorgeous. It's originally $100. I picked up a size large, so again, it definitely ran a bit small. I love like the gold detailing on it. It's just like, it's all embroidered. I have nothing bad to say about this top. It definitely, I would say, runs a size smaller than what it is, because this is a large. And yeah, I don't usually go for large in Zara. And it was originally priced at $99.90, and it has now gone down to $19. So it definitely has dropped a lot in price. So this one I will send back, because I don't really want to. I paid, I think, $30 for it, and if I can return it and get it back for $19, that would be ideal. But that's the other thing, when you're returning back to online, you never know when it's going to go back. So I'll return it and somebody else will end up hopefully getting it. But yeah, I love it, but I just didn't want to spend $30 on it, 'cause like I bought so much, so I just kind of want to spread out as much as I possibly can. And then the other thing I ordered was this dress. They did so many prints and colors in this style, and I just love this style. It's just a long dress and it has pockets, so that's a bonus. Just really pretty. I have nothing bad to say about this fit. I hope they do them again in future seasons, but it's just an easy throw-on dress. I love the fit of it. The silhouette is really great. This one here was originally $79.90. It is now, I believe, $19.99. And I saw another one in a different print that I loved, and it was $12.99. But it's like, it just sucks because you go onto the app and then you'll be like, oh my god, I wanted that item. You go in and it's already been sold out. So yeah, and then you're stuck seeing that you missed it. It's like you have to be on the app 24 hours a day to be able to get all the good pieces. Because you leave and you walk away for a second, and they just put up a bunch of stuff and then it's all gone again. So yeah, so I love this dress. Nothing bad to say with it. I would style it up with the Gucci belt. I thought it looked really good. You can wear this in the summer, and you can also kind of wear it, I would say, spring and fall, just depending on how you styled it. So it's definitely a dress that would get a lot of wear out of it. So I definitely would recommend this. And I would say stick true to your size. So this was a medium. It is supposed to be a little bit more of an oversized fit. So yeah, I would say get the medium if you can. Let's pop that back in there. And then the other stuff I got here. Two of my favorite pieces for sure. This sweater, when I first bought it, it was $19.99, which is still an amazing deal. So before we went into lockdown, I saw it in the store and it was $29.99, and I was debating like if I should get it or not. And then I saw it online and it went down to $19.99. And then I picked it up and then it went down to $12.99. I picked it up and then it went down to $9.99. So yeah, so this is my third time buying it. I was so lucky that I was able to get it because it's such a popular blogger popular sweater. You can wear it as a sweater, you can wear it as a dress. You know, when I went into the store when it was first in at regular price, I styled it with those ankle boots. So this outfit, this sweater and those boots was originally like $140, and now it's $30. Like, it's crazy because the sweater was 10 and then the boots were 19. So the boots are 19 as I'm speaking right now. Tomorrow, this week, they could potentially drop further, but definitely keeping this. I know I will get a lot of wear out of it. It is very oversized, so I would say size down or stick to your size. So I got, the original one I bought was a medium and it was just way too big. So this one here is a size small. Yeah, this one's a size small. So originally it was 80 bucks, and as I'm speaking to you now, it's $9.99, and I don't believe it'll go any lower than that. But $9.99, guys, like, you can't even go wrong with that at all. And then this other sweater here, I just absolutely loved as well. I saw it on one of the Instagrammers that I follow. It wasn't that bad price. It's only $59.90, but as I'm speaking to you now, this has gone down to $19.99, and I paid $40 for it. I paid $39.99. So definitely I'm going to return this because I love it, but I don't want to spend $40 on it. But it's absolutely gorgeous. Like, I can't, like, you can't even, if I couldn't return it and end up picking it up again, oh, fingers crossed. I'd love to get it. So, but like I said, I bought so much more stuff since I bought this, and I just don't want to spend $40 on the sweater. So 100% I would get it for $19.99. And the other thing you can do is, if you have the phone and you have the Zara app downloaded, you can scan the barcodes to see what the current selling price is. So you can also debate whether or not you want to return some things. Because ideally, I mean, you know what, the goal, there's always times that you love something, and there are times that you love something but it's not the price that you want to pay for it. So I want to maximize my money as much as I possibly can. I'm the type of person that I'll buy it and then sometimes I never even wear it. So ideally, if I'm gonna, and if I end up reselling it, I don't want to have to pay a lot for it in the first place. So yeah, my goal in Zara sale is to get everything I want to get at the lowest prices I want to get it. So yeah, but this is definitely a beautiful sweater. It's got nice big bellow sleeves. And you know, it's such a good price. I have nothing bad to say about this sweater. 100%. If you were debating, if you see this online and you want it, I'd say get it for sure. And then these two pieces I just recently ordered, so I got them at really good prices. But the jacket that I bought has gone down in price, so I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna keep it. But this top here is just absolutely stunning. It's such a nice velvet. It's only $9.99. Like, it's such a crazy price. They did this top in a few different prints and style, few different colors and prints, and for some bizarre reason I picked up all three. So I love the cut. I hope I end up wearing it. I find that when I buy something and I don't know how to style it, then I don't want to keep it. But if I buy something and I can style it easily, then for sure I know I will wear it. Because it's always that time when you pull something out and then you're in your closet looking for everything you possibly find, trying to find something to go with it. It just gets really frustrating. So anyway, it's got big bellowy sleeves, elastic at the wrist. It's just got a little bit of cross tie knot here, but it's just the style of it. It's got a side zipper, and then it's just got a little bit of draping on the back. And I highly recommend this top if you see it online, and it's only $9.99. Originally, I believe it was $59.90, so definitely something I will be keeping. Now this jacket, I just kind of bought it to fill the order. I'm like lucky that I found it, but I did just buy it to fill the order. It was $49.99 when I bought it, and now it went down to $35.99. $35.99, I don't think I would think too much about it. $50, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I want it, because I feel like this trend is like, it's kind of like it's been done so much to death. And Zara comes out with it in black and like beige and cream, and I feel like everybody's done it. I've seen it so much. Unless it was an Acne jacket or like an All Saints, I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm feeling this vibe. I mean, I know I would style it up and I would wear it, but I just don't know if I need it. And again, I don't know if I want to spend $50 on it, but it was $140 regularly, so it's definitely one of their more luxury expensive pieces, so which is like my goal to get. So anyway, so that is the end of part 1, and I just did 1, 2, 3, 4 orders. So I hope you will tune into my second one, just so that these videos aren't crazy long, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel, and I hope you give this video a thumbs up. And like I said, I will be doing a video on how to do returns. If you feel overwhelmed on how to do some returns, you can just turn into my video, and hopefully I can just make it quick and simple and easy for you. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.